Hey guys, so welcome to our 30-minute clean routine. So every 30 minutes when you're working by yourself and it's slow, you just go and take a bottle outside and a clean rag and you just spray it on the rag and you wipe down the doorknob. And welcome to the Philadelphia suite. Open it up, wipe down the door. Okay? And then you walk into the suite. So everything that the guest is touching, you want to wipe it down. You wipe this down, wipe this down here, and then you come to the desk. You wipe the remote down, wipe the remote down, and then wipe the counter down too. Lift up the snack, wipe under the snack. You just want to get all the places that the guest is touching, especially the mini bar. So you spread the rag. This is just all the hot spots in the room that gets touched frequently. We want to wipe down. Okay. Wipe this down, and then also wipe this down. The room is already clean, but we just want to go around and just wipe these hot spot down. There's one more here. Every 30 minutes. Even if the guest is in the room, they just walk out. All these rooms have guests in it, so we're just gonna go. When the guests leave the room, we go into the suite and wipe everything and sanitize everything. So we are going to be doing this every 30 minutes. When you are working by yourself and you have some time to kill, instead of standing on the lease line, let's start wiping stuff down. Okay? Just keep, it won't hurt to just go over stuff every 30 minutes and just every doorknob, because when you're touching it, just make sure you get all the doorknobs and just wipe everything down doing your shift. Alright, this is our 30 minutes cleaning. 30 minutes wipe down.